Iman here from Design by Iman, and today we're here in Yorkville and we've been working on a beautiful MediSpa called Rejuve. We've done the furniture, the accessories, wallpaper, and I can't wait to show you guys the final look. It's incredible. Yorkville is one of Toronto's most expensive neighborhoods. It's a beautiful area with lots of shops and boutiques and restaurants, and when we were thinking about the design of Rejuve MediSpa, we wanted to make sure that the clientele in this area felt really welcome into the space. So I actually knew the owner of Rejuve MediSpa because she was one of my residential clients. So I actually worked on her condo a few years ago. And then she actually told me that she wanted to open up a business right in Yorkville, and I was super excited to work on it. So we collaborated with the talented team at Reflect Architecture. They were great to work with, and my favorite parts about their creativity were actually the ceiling detail above me, as well as the incredible hallway that leads you into all of the meeting rooms. So when we got this space, it was completely empty, and we really knew that we wanted to create a lot of shelving and display areas so that the owner could display the many lines of products that she has. In each area, we wanted to make sure that not only was there an opportunity to display product, but we also wanted to break it up with cute accessories. So we added some gold shelving with all her product lines, but we broke it up with some greenery, some florals, some cute mirrors. We also added some sculptural elements and even some vintage decor. We also added a coffee station with cute pink cups and mugs to kind of complement the blush theme of the entire space. For the waiting area, the thought process was kind of speaking to the curves on a woman. So the curvature of your facial structure, facial features, and the beauty of curves. So we went with a curved sofa, a round rug, and a round coffee table to speak to those elements. We wanted to make sure that we kept the windows open so that when people walk by, they can actually look into the space. But we did want to soften them up a little bit, so we added a white sheer with a subtle gold detail. On the coffee table, we have some books and sculptural elements and a beautiful candle to keep the place smelling great. But for the most part, we kept it fairly empty so that people can have a spot for their drinks while they're waiting. So when guests are ready to be taken in for their treatment, they walk through a hidden doorway that blends right into the wall and through to an infinity hallway that makes it feel like it goes on forever. It's great for Instagram posts, and the architect really killed it on that one. So the first room that you go into when you come to the MediSpa is the consultation room. So in that room, we went with a beautiful face mural. So the mural has a lot of drawings of different faces, and it really speaks to the fact that this is a MediSpa. We also have a pillow that coordinates really well with the mural. We also added a touch of green in the corner and a little hand mirror. And we ended up going with white for the chairs that I think just softens the space a little bit. Continuing on, we're going into the injection room. So the injection room is for fillers and Botox, and that's where the patient meets with the doctor. In this room, we went with the same mural, but just a different section of the mural. We paired it with the same pillow as well. We have a beautiful pedestal in the corner with a sculpture, as well as some greenery. So next up is the laser room. We kept the laser room fairly simple by adding 3 framed prints of faces. There's a lot of equipment in the room, so we wanted to keep this room fairly simple. In the facial room, we wanted to keep it really relaxing and serene, so we went with a subtle blush wallpaper with waves of different tones of pink. We added 3 gold wall frames that act as shelves, and we topped them with candles and accessories. We also took this opportunity to display more product. We finished the room off with a beautiful mirror so that guests can check themselves out before they walk out the door. Overall, we're really happy with how everything turned out. When I look around the space, I feel like it's super luxurious, but also calm and serene. And it was such a fun project to work on. If you want to see more of these transformations, don't forget to subscribe below. And now it's time for my facial.